To win a government contract, it's one of the hardest things to do. The government does business differently. You have to learn how they think, and there's a different language there. When I got out of the military, I thought about starting a government contracting business myself. And from talking with other contractors, I realized they have these issues when they win a contract, namely cash flow. They have to work for about 30 days, then they earn the right to invoice the government, and then they have to wait another 30 days to get paid on that contract. The problem Mobilization Capital solves for government contractors is providing the startup capital necessary. A government contractor wins a contract, then they need money to begin performing on that contract. The most important thing Mobilization Capital needs to see is a signed contract with the government or a notice to proceed. We give them the money they need. When the government pays back the contractor, that's when the funds loaned to the contractor are returned back to Mobilization Capital. What we charge is a success fee based on the value of the contract or the value of the invoice.
Determined at that time because I want to.
I love working with small business owners. I'm a small business owner myself.
We have a lot of things as a small business owner on our plate.
It takes quite a bit of money to start these up.
I visited 6 banks. At one place, the bank forgot that I was there. On my first appointment with Samir, I canceled all my future appointments I had with the bank.
Although I may have other options, I have trust for him, and I like him.
You could take a contract to Mobilization Capital and get money up front. You don't have to go through all the red tape. It's a lot of red tape with your traditional banks. You don't have to have those problems when you go into Mobilization Capital.
I enjoy solving problems for people. We look at it as more of a partnership because there's a lot of collaborative elements with contract management and performing on a government contract. And on the back end, they were able to perform successfully on a government contract, which will lead for further prosperity down the road for them.